NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train. You deserve a revitalization at Mary Turner's Day Spa and Beauty Boutique. The staff will make sure you relax and rejuvenate with their high-quality products and services. They take pride to give you a tranquil environment. Mary Turner's Day Spa at 2539 Wilmington Road in Shannock Township. Call to book a spa appointment at 724-657-5156. That's 657-5156.
NewsWatch keeping you informed on Fire Prevention Week. The Wolf administration announced new investments for volunteer fire companies fighting wildfires across Pennsylvania. Yes, in recognition of Fire Prevention Week, the service and the sacrifice of volunteer firemen throughout Pennsylvania, the Wolf administration announced a $646,000 in new funding to help rural communities guard against the threat of wildfires in the state, forests, and other undeveloped areas. Across the state, the funds will benefit 132 fire companies serving rural communities where forests and brush are common. The Department of Conservation and Natural Resources Secretary Cindy Adams Dunn said to appreciate the value is to engage in a highly trained, well-rounded firefighters. One only has to look outside Pennsylvania to the horrific fires that sometimes plague other states. Now, I don't know how many forest fires we've had, but we're going to be trained. So keep that in mind, and keep these sponsors in mind who keep community television on the air for you.